Hi guys, Tristan Channel Dotson in our video. So today I'm going to show you my speed cubes, but they're also Rubik's cubes anyways. So today I'm going to show you my speed cubes because why not? So the first one, this is just a normal one, so I'm gonna solve it for you guys, just some testing it, so I don't have to be a little chatty. So yeah. Okay. So this is my first one I got, and one was also on my birthday. Alright guys, this may take a little while, so where's the green? Oh god, it's here. Anyways, just take it. Okay. Anyway, so this one's a triangle one, so I'm gonna solve it. It looks like it's a bit pointy when you're like, it's not really sharp, so I don't have to worry. Yeah, this one was almost solved, and it isn't yet, so oh wait, I think if I just tidy it up, it may work, so. Alright guys, I guess that's all the speed cubes I have. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and click that bell. Peace out.